It's very difficult to actually, it's like, but like everything else in the world, how things are becoming smaller and smaller, whether it's our laptop or our mobile or cars, the future of cinema, if you want to ask me, it's not just me, whole world knows it, the future of cinema is internet movies. Because 2 hours, 2.5 hour film is not the future. The future is online, and the sooner we realize that, sooner we catch up, we won't be lagging behind from the rest of the world. I think Americans have already, in a very seamless way, adapted to this, and I'm so happy that I am getting to launch one very, made on a big scale film which is being released on the internet. So this is where the future lies, and this is where cinema is heading. And I'm very happy that Shiri's the thought of something so progressive. Sorry, it's just so. Uh, and I loved it. I think, please guys, see it for yourself, and I'm sure everyone's gonna enjoy it and get shit scared. It is so spooky, and to see it in a big theater is like when when Manoj sir comes to bite your ear. Just be careful.
Kirti, Kirti just happened. Kirti, because me and so many guests of her, we were having lunch at her place, and I was talking to Shirish, he he thought of he started telling me, explaining me about a story that is written, and it was from a girl point of view, and then I kind of it just came about this idea of why not let's do it for the portal. And he immediately agreed. Immediately started thinking about it. And in 5 days, we have the script ready. And in next 1 month, we shot the film. And then he started editing. And can you believe that he's done the music? And what a fantastic music he's given, in this film. So you come to know so many. You can actually go ahead and put out certain stuff of yourself, certain aspect of yourself that you cannot think about, doing it for the future land. So I'll be doing much more and many more in future.
That's great news.
Yeah, because uh, an actor, when he says that he's very busy, actually he's lying. We are not acting, throughout the year. So we have a whole lot of time. Uh, so we can go ahead and just do something new with ourselves, with our, experiment with our craft, learn some new things, and you can only learn it by doing it. You cannot learn it by just thinking about it.
Absolutely.
Yes, I was very nervous because you're sharing screen space with, according to me, the most finest actor India has ever seen. So I was nervous. So I did my little bit of preparation, like studied about agoraphobia. Obviously, Sirish was very kind enough to do a reading with me, discuss the role, discuss the girl's mindset, and Manoj was also very kind. So we did one reading, and of course, they were very, very helpful. I prepared whatever I could and then did Kriti, and I hope everybody really likes it.